In this video, I want to show you how to create a YouTube thumbnail using AI in seconds. Hi and welcome back to the channel. This is Daniel. If you're interested in this type of video, subscribe to the channel. Let's get into the video. So what I did first was I took a screenshot of my video, a video that I shot, and I gave it to AI. I'm using Gemini. So Gemini is a model by Google if you don't know it. So I gave it to Gemini and I told it to analyze the face on the image, and we will be creating an image to use on our thumbnail. That's what I told it. So this is what I gave it. So its sole aim was to analyze this image and take note of the face, so that whenever I want to generate different images using different facial expressions, it's going to give me that. So after giving it this prompt, it went ahead and analyzed the image and told me, yeah, it has understood my image, and this was its response. If you look here in my prompt, I told it, once you are ready, let me know and I will tell you what to do. So it's not going to generate anything yet, because if I allow it to generate directly, it's going to generate something that I don't find interesting. So I tell it not to generate. It should let me know when it's ready, so that I'll tell it exactly what to do. So now that Gemini has analyzed the image I gave it, I now tell it if the first generation is going to be for our video, which is titled How to Create Your YouTube Videos for More Views and Subscribers. Brainstorm a thumbnail idea and let's generate an image that will fit in. Don't worry about the prompts. I'll be dropping them in the comment section, so do well to check the comment section to get all the prompts that I used here. So after giving it this, you can see I strategically tell it to brainstorm thumbnail ideas and then generate an image that will fit in. So this is to have it generate ideas based off of what it understands from my title and the image it analyzed earlier. So if the generation is not what I want, I can go ahead and then reprompt it to generate what I want. Okay, but now let's take a look at what it did. You can see it gave us some thumbnail ideas here. I can read this all through, but feel free to pause the video and read it if you want to. You can see it gave us different options here, and then it generated this thumbnail. So take a look at this thumbnail and tell me what you think. I think this is actually a great thumbnail that would do well on a video, because this looks very good. It contains just three elements: what the face on it, the write-up, and this chart. This is actually great. If you look at the possibilities of what you can do with AI today, it's massive. You can actually use this to create thumbnails for your videos or other designs and many other things. So okay, so before we end these videos, let me tell you there are a lot of things you can do with this. You can use this to brainstorm thumbnail ideas. You can use this, let's say, as a starting point to have something that you would use for your thumbnails, or maybe generate your thumbnails like this. Just do a little tweak and edit and then upload them on your videos. If this video was helpful, do well to smash that subscribe button. Let me know what you think in the comment section, and if you have any video requests, let me know in the comment section so that I'll make that video next. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and join the community, and I'll see you in the next one.